officially terrible at uploading on time for the holidays. Hi everyone, it's Carito. Welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video is the end result of the subscribers choose my manicure video, and I did wear this manicure on Christmas. And so to start off, I'm going to apply KleanColor Metallic White on top of Wet n Wild French White Cream. Now I'm going in with KleanColor Metallic Red for some berries, and then some diamond shaped chunky glitters for the leaves. I wasn't at home when I was recording this video, and I forgot my clear polish for sticking down the glitter. So right here I'm just using my favorite top coat, which is Sesh Beat. But normally to stick down glitter I would use Wet n Wild Crystal Clear or just any clear polish. For my middle finger, I'm going in with this Sinful Colors Holiday Rebel, and the base color is RK Bloody Lips. Comment down below if you ever have that problem where you're trying to put down more glitter, but with every stroke you're actually taking off the glitter. I hate that, so what I like to do is pour out some of the polish, some of the glitter, and I'll pick up little individual pieces with my Cuticle Pusher and put it down on the nail where I want it. For my ring finger, I'm going to be using this red and green polish. The red is RK Bloody Lips and the green is Kiss Gel Dressy. I'm going to use the red to draw an X in the middle of my nail, and then use the red to fill in the top and bottom, and the green to fill in the sides. When you're doing a design that you want to make sure is symmetrical, it's best to look at the design from different angles so that it doesn't come out lopsided. So that's why I'm flipping my hand over to look at it from your point of view. Now I'm going in with KleanColor Don't Harp on It, which is a holographic polish. I'm going to use that to trace back over the center, trace over the little X again, in the center where the red and the green meet. Now it's time for a wreath on my pinky. I'm going to start off with drawing a circle. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. It's just to guide you through the rest of the design. So I just start off with drawing a circle and then just draw little X's around the circle. And like I said, the circle is to guide you through the rest of the design. So if you just draw little X's, the little random lines, it'll come out lopsided. So Don't forget your circle. Oh, and I forgot to show the colors that I used for the wreath. The color that I just used is Sally Hansen on Pins and Needles. And now I'm going to go in with Pure Ice Lucky Charming to add some shimmer and glitter and just pizzazz it up a little bit. For the ribbon on the wreath, I'm just going to draw a figure 8 and then 2 lines coming down from the middle. Going back to my ring finger, now that the top coat is dry, I'm going to go in with some red striping tape and I'm going to put it down diagonally across my nail. I'm probably going to say this in every video when I use striping tape, but when you use striping tape, you have to put down a top coat first, a quick dry top coat, because if you don't, then when you pull up the striping tape, you're going to pull up your base color. In this case, even though the striping tape is part of the design, you still have to put down top coat, because while you're pulling up the tape and trying to reposition it and straighten it out, you will still mess up your base color without a top coat. So, yeah. Now I'm going in with Kiss Gel Dressy to do a Christmas tree on my thumb, and I'm going in with a swooping back and forth motion, kind of like the poop emoji. Then I'm going in with Sugar Polish Metallic Gold for the star on top of the tree, and then some brown acrylic paint for the trunk of the tree. If you were curious, the winning numbers were 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. And if you're unfamiliar with my Subscribers Choose My Manicure series, you can read the description down below under this video and read about it in more detail. As late as this video is, I hope you enjoyed it. My New Year's resolution is to upload more frequently, so hopefully I won't upload any holiday designs after that holiday again. So I apologize for being late, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.